This is a 2-row repeat worked on a multiple of 4 plus 2. For my sample, I cast on 18 stitches with worsted weight yarn and US size 7 needles. For row 1, you're going to repeat knit 3, purl 1 across the row until you get to the last 2 stitches. So just knitting 3 and purling 1. And you'll end the last repeat with knit 2. For row 2, you're going to start by purling the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat knit 3, purl 1 until you get to the last stitch. And when you get to the last stitch, you just knit. And you repeat those 2 rows for the pattern.